How to earn money on Fiverr with no skills. For years, freelancers have been going on Fiverr to make money. Fiverr is an app that is rather simple to use and has a range of clients hoping to use your talents and pay you at your desired rate in return. For the ones who have been on the platform for years, it is very simple to get new clients. But for the ones who are just planning on joining the pool of freelancers, it can be a bit challenging to get their first client. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for the easiest ways to get rich from the comfort of your home, then like this video and subscribe to our channel. For now, let us start with number 12, Virtual Assistant. Companies and executives are learning how to recruit a virtual assistant because so much of the working world has moved online these days. Many of the routine office admin tasks will be handled by you in this position, but from the convenience of your home. You'll manage people's calendars, respond to emails and phone calls, and perhaps even plan someone's travel. Really, all you need to be is well organized and able to communicate clearly. If you can manage a lot of work, you could earn a good amount of money as a virtual assistant. One woman does it and earns $10,000 per month. Number 11, beta reading. Many Fiverr sellers have excellent editing and proofreading abilities. These are sophisticated abilities that require extensive instruction as well as extensive experience. Being a beta reader on Fiverr is one way to make money if you enjoy reading, because it can be started up so fast. This has emerged as one of the best side occupations available. Moreover, it need not even be reading. You could express your opinion about someone's singing or art. This is one of the Fiverr jobs that doesn't require talents that would be applicable in this case, and many artists, writers, and musicians appreciate the constructive criticism before they release their work to the public. You can have success marketing these gigs by expressing your passion for and interest in the particular kind of work you will be reviewing, or by offering samples of past activities you enjoy. Some freelancers who work as beta readers can make more than $82,000 a year. Now, isn't that insane? Number 10, social media marketing. We all spend a good chunk of our day on social media platforms, constantly posting, commenting, and hopping onto the trends. Now imagine if you were getting paid to handle and post pictures and reels on someone's Instagram. Sounds awesome, right? Social media is a very powerful medium, as anyone who works in marketing would attest. Businesses use it every day to spread the word about their branding to as many people as they can. Using influencers to promote goods, services, or general messages is one trend that is growing nowadays. Consequently, you could act as an influencer if you have a large social media following. Take a look at how other individuals are promoting influencer jobs if you want to make money online. Compare your overall following to theirs to see how you might separate yourself in your gig posting and highlighting your advantages. You could even pick and select which ideas or businesses you think you can best influence. An influencer can expect to make about $30,000 a year on average. Even 6 digits can be made through this work, but you probably need more than 1 million followers to do that. Moving on, number 9, Spokesperson. Being a spokesman can be a suitable fit for you if you're seeking jobs without specific skill requirements. Of course, speaking in front of a camera would need that you feel at ease, but don't stress, you'll probably get a script. This job would normally be loved by those that are outgoing, have a nice voice, and have a great smile. Really, all you need is a camera or a nice smartphone with a tripod and the willingness to record and display a message for individuals or businesses. To serve as a spokesperson, you don't need to be well known, but you definitely need to know how to present yourself. A spokesperson makes about $75,000 a year on average in the United States. On Fiverr, you might not be able to do all of that, but there's definitely room for profit. And of course, once you have a settled client base, you will definitely start getting referrals, and that is the way you can expand your network. Number 7, recording video testimonials. In the same spirit, making video testimonials is a very popular Fiverr gig. Businesses are constantly looking for positive testimonials from actual clients who have used their goods or services. These endorsements are much more effective when they are on video, since it adds to their credibility. As a result, you can offer your services to businesses in exchange for a video testimonial. Simply having a nice grin, a happy face, a calm voice, and excitement for the service or product you are marketing for. You can even create a sample video testimonial for a fake product to showcase your skills to potential employers. It won't require much of your time and almost none that you don't already have, like a smartphone. An extremely professional recommendation might cost around $800, although you definitely won't get paid that much for each testimonial. However, there are always possibilities to find the pot of gold once in a blue moon. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the ways that many people today are earning money online. This is one of the Fiverr gigs that doesn't require any special abilities and works well for folks who have a large following on social media or a popular website. With this task, you would recommend customers to a certain Fiverr service or to a particular good or service provided by another business, and you would be paid for your efforts. You would likely generate a separate code or a particular link to distribute to others. After that, you would be paid a certain percentage of the successful sales you brought to that business. This is a very well-known method for teens to earn additional cash, especially when they use social media. There's basically no limit to how much of this you can perform once you pick up the basic methods. Depending on how frequently they engage in affiliate marketing and how well they do, they can make an average of $65,000 every year. Number 5. Coming up with taglines. Many of the projects on Fiverr are related to writing. Most people believe that writing requires a great deal of talent and expertise, and in many cases, they are correct. The only actual requirements for this particular gig are wit and knowledge of the business, service, or product you would be writing about. Creating fictional taglines or slogans is a terrific technique to make your performances stand out. Simply invent companies, goods, or services, then come up with a tagline as an example. Once they can view examples of your work, people will be able to hire you to manage their projects. Writing slogans and taglines aren't the most lucrative job overall, but you may make roughly $200 per project. Of course, this amount is only on a good day, but as long as there's a possibility of making big money, there is no reason not to take the chance to capitalize on your talent. Number 4. Create collages and photo books. You might not be a photographer or a photo editor, but if you love to make others smile and have an eye for design, you can build collages or photo books that people can print as souvenirs or share on their social media profiles. Today, a lot of people photograph their regular events. The majority, however, either lack the time or are not skilled at organizing them all into a lovely memory collection. You can enter the picture at this point. This position does not call for any specialized knowledge, equipment, or software. Actually, the websites where you would make the collages or photo books sometimes come with their own design tools integrated right in. Use your own images to make a sample collage or photo book to help you stand out. People will probably want the same for them once they see how fantastic it is. You could easily charge twice as much for the photo book itself and earn $50 for every project. Number 3. Downloading videos. People would want to have stored copies of the variety of online video content that is already available. The issue is that they might lack the tools, the time, or the expertise to do so. This is one method of earning money on Fiverr without having any expertise. Due to the ease of the activity, many students complete these projects to earn money while attending college without having a job. This lets you download videos from Dailymotion, Vimeo, YouTube, and other websites in a variety of file formats, including MP4. After accomplishing this, you can upload the movies and email them to your clients so they will always have them. There are many firms out there that charge up to $20 for each film they convert. There is a lot of earning potential, even if you might not be able to make that much money from online videos. Number 2. Commenting on videos. For this Fiverr gig, writing expertise is not required. All you need to know is how to successfully leave comments on blogs, social media pages, and other places. This is definite in most cases because comments add credibility to a page, company, product, or service, etc. You can even demonstrate your large social media following to prospective clients so they can see the reach you could provide. This allows some folks to make roughly $360 each month. Number 1. data entry. All you need for this one is a computer, a word processing program like Microsoft Word and Excel, and the ability to type. Companies produce a huge amount of data and information, and there is a great need to manage it all. You can help in this situation. You can manually enter all this information for them into spreadsheets or computer programs so they can use the data they generate. Take some free online typing tests, submit your results on the gig page, and you'll stand out from the crowd. On Fiverr, you might earn up to $15 per hour doing this. So, ladies and gentlemen, you have the 12 best freelance gigs that are out there to capitalize on Fiverr. Which one of these best suits your skills? Let us know in the comments below. We'll see you in our next video. Until then, happy earnings.